Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to check it. I think it looks pretty good. Let me see if it's doughy at all. They said you got to make sure it's cooked or it will be doughy. I think it looks okay. So I'm going to look underneath again. Look underneath. Put it so you can see underneath. Looks okay, right?
I go a little bit. I don't know.
No, it's all cooked. And I'm going to cut it. Well, maybe I should wait a minute before I cut it. Can you pause it? Stovetop pizza in a pan. Hold the handle up higher so you don't get it in the pizza. Is it cutting?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay. Get a couple plates.
Chewy.
It's a lot of cheese. They said to put a lot of cheese on it, so I did. Looks good though. Looks cooked.
Yeah, I'll give it a smaller
one. Okay, the fork's over there. And we're going to see